Welcome to the Converse Technical Assistance Center in Wakefield, Massachusetts, the Center for Award-Winning Service and Support for our customers. Customer service and support. We hear this phrase mentioned often in business. What does it really mean? According to author James Scott, customer service is a series of activities designed to enhance the level of customer satisfaction. That is, the feeling that a product or service has met the customer expectation. A challenge working with customer service is to ensure that you have focused your attention on the right key areas, measured by the right key performance indicators. There is no challenge to come up with a lot of meaningful KPIs, but the challenge is to select a few which reflect your overall strategy. In addition to reflecting your strategy, it should also enable staff to limit their focus to the areas that really matter. The focus must be of those KPIs which will deliver the most value to the overall objective, which is to improve service for our customers. It must also be done in such a way that staff sincerely believe that they can make a difference with the effort.
Hello.
Hello, Stephanie. This is Dave Mallard from the Converse Technical Assistance Center in Wakefield.
Hi, Dave.
I was assigned a service request which you opened today where the subscriber experienced incorrect prompts every time they logged in.
Yes, thank you for giving me a call. We couldn't understand what was going on with that prompt. We weren't sure if it was a problem with the mailbox or with the prompts, or the greetings.
In my investigation, I was able to duplicate the problem you were experiencing. I then checked the user profile on that MSU and found a corrupted index pointer for that specific problem.
Oh, so you found a corrupted greeting index. That would explain why everything else we looked at appeared fine with the mailbox. We didn't even think about the possibility of a corrupted prompt.
So I set this pointer to the correct value and the mailbox answers and no longer plays that incorrect prompt. I believe the issue was resolved. In addition, I checked the other MSUs on the system and did not detect any other problems such as this. I also reviewed the alarm processor and didn't see any other alarms, so your system looks very healthy.
Great. That was going to be my next question. If there were any other bad prompts. Thanks for checking this in the alarm process too.
If possible, I'd like you to validate that the subscriber issue appears to be resolved and that the mailbox is now functioning correctly.
Right, hold on 1 second. I'm going to log on to the mailbox as we speak. Okay, Dave, everything looks great. The mailbox is working just fine. Thanks so much. I really appreciate it.
Great. I'm going to send the case for closure. I'm glad the issue is resolved and the mailbox is working correctly for you. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
I think the issue was handled really well. I really appreciate your quick turnaround. I think you guys did a great job of handling this case, and keep up the good work.
Thanks, Stephanie. Have a great day.
Within Converse, we have been meeting our corporate technical KPI measurements, NPR, SLA, availability, but it has become more and more apparent that these technical indicators are not telling the whole story. Our event-driven survey scores continue to identify a reoccurring theme. More communication, more service request updates, more callbacks, communication, but timely communication. With this in mind, we initiated a communication improvement team in Converse, whose purpose was numerous. To focus our attention on the pulse of the customer needs throughout the course of their interaction with our teams, to provide regular and timely feedback on the progress of the customer issue, to explain to the customer what happened and the steps taken to correct their issue, to follow up afterwards and ensure our actions have met and exceeded their expectations, and ask for feedback on their experience with us. To assist in these improvements, the plan is to 1. Ensure all service personnel go through customer service video training twice a year. The focus is on specific customer situations. 2. Initiate cold call service request updates daily for customers, in addition to the regular engineer updates. To help measure performance, we will utilize the EDS surveys. The goal is to receive overall scores of 9 to 10. Communication and SR update scores of 10s. We will also monitor Converse and CRM cases to validate frequency of notes and customer feedback on service requests. By focusing on these key areas, we will heighten the customer experience to a level that invokes trust and confidence in the minds of our loyal customers and exceeds their expectations. Again, welcome to Converse Customer Assistance Center, the Center for Award-Winning Service and Support, and the home of Think Service.